What is the most common problem of a furnace? Many Addison homeowners ask this when their system starts blowing cool air, shutting off early, or struggling to heat the home. What is the most common problem of a furnace? A dirty or clogged air filter. When airflow becomes restricted, the furnace overheats and shuts down for safety, which leads to short cycling, weak airflow, and higher energy bills. Other common furnace issues include thermostat failures, ignition problems, blower motor wear, dirty flame sensors, and blocked vents or ductwork. All of these issues affect airflow or safety, which is why routine maintenance plays such an important role in preventing breakdowns. In Addison, Illinois, filters often clog faster during long heating seasons. Checking your filter every 1 to 3 months can prevent many furnace problems before they start. If your furnace is shutting off, blowing cool air, or running inconsistently, call A Perfect Climate. We will diagnose the issue, restore proper heating, and keep your home warm and reliable all winter.